Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can repost videos on TikTok. If you want to learn more about reposting videos on TikTok, please continue watching this video till the end. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you do not miss any update from us. So first open your TikTok app and let's say you want to repost this video. Now to do that, click on the arrow button at the bottom right, and then click on the repost button in yellow in the top left here. So once you click on that, you have reposted this video, and now this video will be shown to your followers on their For You page or their following page, where they will be able to see that you have reposted this video. If you want to say something about this video, you can add your thoughts over here. And now this will also be seen on their For You page. So it's a very easy thing to do, reposting videos on TikTok. I hope this video is of help to you guys. Thank you so much for watching 1-2-Step. If you want to learn more things about TikTok, please consider following our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.